This is the door to my craft room. I'm usually too embarrassed to let people in, but I wanted to show you just how bad my addiction is. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this back. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? This is after 3 days of me working on this room. 3 days ago, I could not walk into the room. There was so much stuff in here. This is not even all of it. This is probably not even half of it. I'm a craft hoarder. I need help, guys. I think I need really, really serious help. I can't even open this door. It's so much stuff in here. This is a peek in my closet. Stuff all the way down to the floor. You can see where packing peanuts have exploded in the room, and they're everywhere. I have a real issue. So I hope with all the turning of the camera I'm not making anybody sick, motion sickness or what have you, but I just wanted to kind of show you. This is after 3 days of me being in here and cleaning and organizing and trying to get things together. But I also want to show you that it hasn't been just contained to this room, guys. I mean, if you think this room is bad enough, I have, going out of the room, completely taken over my mother-in-law's room. So this is the hallway. I have some stuff that I need to get rid of, some boxes and things I don't use anymore. This is my loft. That's all overspill from my craft room because we don't even use the loft. This is my mother-in-law's room. Oh my God. So those of you who know, my mother-in-law passed last year in January, and I have completely taken over, as you can see, her bedroom as well. Why do I have this problem, guys? Okay, so this is my attempt at trying to clean the room and get things organized inside of the closet. You can see I definitely have a very long way to go. You guys, I found 2 printers in that craft room that I don't even use anymore. There's one, and then there's the other one down there. Oh my God. I can't be the only one. I'm probably the only one that's this bad, but I know I can't be the only one that just has this problem with buying too much stuff. Let me know in the comments.